Good morning. My name is Lani. I will be your nurse today, and I will be doing a neurological assessment on you today. Washing my hands, close the curtain, check the chart, patient's charts if there's any pending orders besides this assessment, and I will verify the patient's full name and birth date, and making sure it matches on the patient's charts on the computer, and the wrist or armband. Ano pong pangalan nyo saka birthday mo?
Maria de los Remedios Cuajao, March 3, 1941.
Thank you. Okay. Patient's full name and birth date matches on her wristband and on the computer. And meron na ba kayong may nararamdaman kang na headache, seizure, na stroke ka ba dito, or nagkaroon ka ng surgery?
No.
Wala? Okay. Meron kang nararamdamang nahihilo ka, or parang babagsak ka ba, or may mga nanginginig ba to, or wala kang parang manhid na yung mga kamay, paa mo? Wala? No? Okay. Okay. Anong mo? Okay. Do you know where you at? Saan ka? Alam mo kung saan ka ngayon? Saan ka ngayon? Dito? Saan? Kanino?
Lani.
Okay. Nasa akin ka. Okay. In my house. Okay. You're in my house. And alam mo kung sino president ngayon? Who's the president? Trump. And sino ang vice president?
Sino ba yun eh?
JD Vance.
JD
Vance.
Vance? JD Vance.
Hapon na ngayon or tanghali? Ano ba? Hapon or tanghali?
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Okay, good. Afternoon. Alam mo kung saan ka nakatira?
In your house.
Okay. She live with me. Okay. The patient is oriented and aware.
What is
Okay.
Ano yun? Sa Canada?
She wants to get tested on who's the neighbor ng Canada? Sinong neighbor ng Michigan? Canada. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Alam mo oras na ba? Hapon na or tanghali?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Okay. Patient is oriented, alert. Okay. She knows where she's at. She knows the time of the day. Okay.
Ning, that's enough. Enough na.
Okay. Patingin ng mo. Anong may nararamdaman ka ngayon? No? Okay, so she's feeling good, she said, today. Okay. She's kinda like she's tired today. She did a lot today. Ano ba? Marami ka bang ginagawa?
Wala.
Okay. Patingin ng mo ha. Titingnan ko yung mata mo ulit. Just look at me. Look at my nose. Just look at me. Okay. Good, and look at me. Tingnan mo to ha, sundan mo. Okay. Patingin. Patingin yung kamay mo. Kamay. Patingin. Yan. Hawakan mo. Okay. Okay, ganyan. Tapos ganyan ka. Yan. Tapos, buksan mo. Ganyan. Okay. Tapos, itulak mo yung, buksan mo yung kamay mo. Gaganyan ka, ha? Okay. Okay, go ahead. Yep. Good. Good. Okay. Tapos, itulak mo yung kamay ko. Ganyan. No. Yeah, tulak mo. Tulak. Good. Good straight. Wow. Wow. Patingin na ano. Capillary within 2 seconds. Okay. Capillary is within 2 seconds. Okay. Patingin yung ano. Oh, who's that?
Starly.
Charleston. Okay, ganyan. Tapos ganon. Ganyan ka. Yep, good. Good. Okay.
Okay na.
Teka lang. Tayo ka. Tayo. Okay. No, tayo. Okay. Akbang ka. Okay. Teka lang. Okay. Punta ka doon. Yep. Okay. Good. Okay. Umutot ka. Diyos ko, ang baho. Gosh. Really? Okay. Ganyan ka. Ganyan. Okay. My gosh. Okay, close your eyes. I-close mo yung eyes mo. Okay. Okay, lakad ka doon. Lakad ka dito. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. No. Close your eyes and then go. Yep. Okay, good. That's good. Okay, upo ka na, upo. Ang baho. Oh, nahulog yung tissue mo. Nahulog. Okay, yung tissue mo. Gosh. Smells. Okay. Ano ba yan? Tanggalin mo yung ganyan ka ulit. Ganyan. No. Tayo. Upo ka. Upo. Oh. Yeah. Ganyan. Yep. Good. Okay. Tapos, upo ka. Sandal ka dun. You have to make sure you don't fall. Okay. You have to... Okay. Sundan mo yung kamay ko, ha? Okay. Nakikita mo yung kamay ko? Okay. Susundan. Okay, kuhain mo yung kamay mo. Ganyan ka. Yung isa lang. Parang nagtuturo ka yan. Tapos susundan mo. Lagay mo sa ilong mo muna. Yep, tapos, okay. Tingnan mo. Ilagay mo yung... Yep, tingnan mo. Ano mo, parang nagtuturo ka. Hawakan mo yung kamay ko, yung daliri ko. Oh, good. Okay, do it again. Lagay mo sa ilong. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Tingin. Oh my gosh. Hey! Stop. Stop. Okay. Ganyan. Ganyan. Slow. Quiet. Okay, ganyan. Kaya mo? Gaganon din sa kabila. Okay, ganon. See? Go ahead. Gayahin mo yung tinuro ko sa'yo. Ganon na yun. Ganon, ganon, ganon. Yan. Okay. Ganon. Ganon. Gayahin mo. Yan. Yung isa naman. Oh, good. Good. Okay. Good job. Okay. Oh, yan. Okay. Nararamdaman mo to? Yes? Okay. Nararamdaman mo to?
Yeah.
Okay. Nararamdaman mo yan?
Yes.
Nararamdaman mo yan? Nararamdaman mo yan?
Yeah.
Nararamdaman mo? Yes? Okay. You feel that?
Yes.
Okay. And you feel this? Nararamdaman mo?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay na.
Okay. Sloan, stop. Stop. No. Okay. Thank you, Mrs. Guahao, for your time, and thank you for letting me do the urological assessment on you today. I will note any findings that I found today on your assessment, and I will let the doctor know, and I will, as soon as the doctor comes in, I would let him know that I did the neurological assessment on you today, and it should be on your chart. You should see it. Thank you. Have a good day. I will wash my hands, open the curtain back, and chart. Thank you. Have a good day.
Anong